Hi, I'm Jacob Lesko. I am 5'10" and I am currently living in Manhattanville College, but will be living in North Babylon starting May 15th. And I will be singing a cut of Good Kid from The Lightning Thief. No one ever tells me that they're proud. No one asks me, Percy, how'd you like to come around and stay? All you get are bad grades and a bum rap and a bad rep and a good smack and no friends and no hope and no mom. She's taken away. I swear I never stole anything. I never meant to hurt anyone. I swear that I'm a good kid who's had a bad run. And all I need is one last chance to prove I'm good enough for someone. I'm good enough for someone. I'm good enough for someone. I'm good enough for someone.